Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your free VTU website on the Recharge app platform. So the first thing you need to do is to actually go to the Recharge app. Now if you don't have this application, I'll drop a link in the description where you can install this from the Play Store, and also you can access our website if you're not using an Android device. But if you don't know how to register on this platform, I also have a YouTube video that teaches you how to create your account, fund the account, and verify your account on the Recharger platform. So you can just check out our previous video on our YouTube channel, and I'll also drop a link to that video on the YouTube channel. So we are on the application, it has just opened. So the first thing you're going to see is this notification over here. And if you go to the notification, you can see that there's a link right here that shows you the tutorial videos. You can just copy this tutorial video or write it down on a sheet of paper, and then you type it on your browser, like your Chrome browser or your Firefox, whatever browser that you use, and you'll be able to see all the videos that we have created so that you can learn from them and be able to use the application. Now you just need to click on the understood button if you understand what's written here. Now once you click on it, you'll be able to see this page. Now you click on the open over here, and then you'll be directed into your account. That is for those who already have an account already, you'll be directed to your dashboard. But if you don't have an account, then you have to create one for yourself. And like I said, I already have a video that I've created for this, so you can learn from them. You understand? So without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video. Now the first thing you need to do to create your free VTU account, and be able to sell VTU services with no cost and make a lot of money from it, is to actually locate this our service over here. So by the right hand side of your screen, you will see the view all. So just click on it, and then you see affiliates over here. Now this is the affiliate program that I'm talking about. So once you click on the affiliates over here, you'll be able to see the generate affiliate app or website. Now this affiliate app or website is 100% free. So what you can just do is to create your website or the application for free, and then you set the commission you want to receive. In like any amount of commission you want to receive is allowed, but let it not exceed, because when it's so expensive, people will want to run away. So now for this tutorial, I'm going to create a sample website or application, and now that website is going to be named testing. Now testing VTU. So now for the airtime, I want to be making just like 1%, or let's say 2%, depending, but 1% is good. Now for the data, I want to be making 5% or 5%, and then for the TV cable, like 2%. For the electricity bill, I want to be receiving like 50 naira. Then for the educational pin, I will say 2% will be okay. Then for airtime pin, I'll say 1%. Now I have just inserted this over here. I've selected this based on my own choice. You can set whatever you want, on this, and then once you are done setting this figures and how much you want to receive in based on percentage, and note that the electricity is in naira, not in percentage. In other services, you get percentage, and then for the electricity bill, you get naira. Do you understand? Now, after filling up all these figures, I'm going to click on the create now, and then you will be asked, are you sure to proceed? Note that your wallet will be debited zero, and your profile photo will be used as logo. So I will say okay. And okay, as you can see, platform was created successfully. So now I'm going to click on the OK button over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the view all. Then we're going to go back to affiliates. So can you see now we have our affiliate link, testing VTU 5, right? Testing VTU 5. Now we just need to copy this over here. Now okay, so once we just copy this, we're going to go to our browser. So can you see now, this is my website. Can you see this is my website? This is my website for testing VTU. Now you can see testing VTU is over here. You can see the whole website or instant website. So your phone number, your email that you use to create your account is what you are going to be using as your information, and the website is going to be created for you instantly, and you can see how stunning and beautiful this website is. So now we're going to test out this website. So first thing we're going to do now is you can click on login, you get, or you just register. Since you don't, it's a new website, we just need to register first, and then we'll just register on the website like we normally do when we are registering on recharge app. So I'm going to insert all my information over here, like my name, my email, my phone number, and then answer this question and password, and then I'm going to come back. So right now I'm going to pause this video. Now I have inserted my information on this registration page. I've created my password and I've done what is necessary. So what I'm going to do now is to create my account over here. So as you can see, your registration was successful. Please log in. So I'm going to click on the login over there. So I'm going to insert the email that I used to register and the password. I'm going to click on the login button since I've already inserted my email, and then I'll be granted access. So we're going to verify our account. Now we're going to receive an email code, a code, sorry, on our email address. Now what we need to do is to go to our email address and confirm the code that we received. So I'm going to input 5523 over here. I'm going to verify. So right now what we need to do is to create our transaction pin, and I'm going to create a transaction pin right now. So this transaction pin is what you are going to use to to purchase any services on the application. So we're going to click on set pin. Now you can see confirm your transaction pin. Okay, so we have successfully created our account on the affiliate website that we just created right now. Now I'm going to fund my wallet. Now to do that, you just need to click on the fund wallet over here. So once you click on the fund wallet over here, you're going to see generate bank account, right? So to do that, you just click on the generate bank account. So for the affiliates, you use your NIN to verify for affiliate accounts. So anybody who signs up on that affiliate account uses their NIN to verify their account, right? So we're going to input our NIN over here, and I'm going to put our date of birth, right? So let me get my NIN right now and let me insert it. So guys, I mistakenly paused my video when I was verifying the KYC and I forgot to continue. So when you are verifying your KYC, all you just need to do is to provide the correct information like your NIN number and then your date of birth. Make sure that the information you provided are correct and it corresponds with your NIN, right? So if you're going to put your date of birth, make sure that the date of birth you're going to insert over here is correspond with the date of birth that you used on your registration. You get, don't put a fake or incorrect date of birth when you're registering, and you can be rest assured that your information is safe with us. Now once you are done with verifying your KYC, you just need to refresh over here by clicking on the refresh button, and then your automatic funding account will be created for you. And sometimes you go back and you not see any automatic funding account, they'll still tell you to generate. You guys, so once you refresh, it will refresh the page, and then you'll be able to see your automatic funding account. Now I have generated mine, and I'm sorry I could not show you this on the tutorial because I forgot to play the record once I inserted that. I've created my automatic funding account, and as you can see, the fee is over here with the bank account, which is bank account number, and 9PSB, which is 9 payment service bank, right? So, and the fee is 1% from 1 naira to 999, and then 550 naira from 1000 upwards. So I'm just going to copy this over here, you get, and I'm going to copy this number, and I'm going to go to my bank account, and I'm going to deposit 900 naira into this wallet, so I can use this to show you how you can, make money and how it works. So I'm going to go to my bank account, and I'm going to deposit money into this wallet.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, I have deposited my 900 naira into this wallet. Now what I'm going to do is to cancel this over here. and then I'm going to go to refresh. So as you can see, the payment has reflected on the application. Wow. So once it reflects, you're going to get a notice that tells you that your account has been funded. So right here, I'm seeing 891 naira. You can remember I said I was going to deposit 900 naira into this wallet. So what I get is 891 naira after the service charge has been minused. Now I'm going to click on the OK over here. So you can see the funds has reflected on my wallet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and buy data so I can show you how every customer who uses this website is going to generate money for you. So just go to buy data over here, and then you select the service that you want to buy. Now for this, I'm going to use MTN corporate. Now I'm going to select the amount of data I want to put. Now you can see there's a little difference in the amounts over here. Now if you can see, 1 gig is 302 naira. You get? So I'm going to put 302 naira over here, and then I'm going to insert the phone number I want to put. So I've inserted the phone number I want to buy this data for. Now I'm going to insert my PIN. Now once I have done that, you get, your PIN is very important. You can't do anything on this application without your PIN. So if I have completed all the requirements that is necessary to buy this data, I'm going to click on buy now over here, and I'll be asked, are you sure you want to buy this data? And I'm going to say yes, because I'm very sure. And then you can see the transaction was successful. So I have gotten a successful transaction. You can see I've gotten a message that says that this transaction has been delivered to my account, and you can see my wallet has been debited. Now I'm going to refresh. So we just made a purchase, right, of 1 gig, right? Now I'm going to go back. Since we have made a transaction, we're supposed to get something, right? Because this website is based on commission. So whatever purchase that is made in this website, we're supposed to get commission from it. So I'm going to go back now to my wallet. So we're right here on our dashboard where we created this website, this affiliate website. Now I'm going to close this page because I don't need this anymore. I'm going to refresh this dashboard because I want my earnings to reflect, and I'm going to go back to view all. I'll go back to affiliates. As you can see, our withdrawal has reflected over here. You can see we have earned 13.50 naira on just one purchase. Now imagine that you have over 100 people buying this service from you every single day. 100 people buying this service from you every single day. Now if you see 13 naira, let's do math. Let's do math right now. 13 naira, 13.5, right, times 100, that is over 1300. If you times it by 30, sorry, 30, that is 40,500 naira. 40,500 naira every single day, like every single month. That is enough, like that is somebody's salary. But definitely, you cannot see only 100 people, right? You probably have 100 or 500 or 1,000 people if you can put in the work and generate enough users and enough leads, right? So now this could be 1,000 over here, people buying, 1,000 transactions if possible. And at the end of the month, you'll be getting over 400,000. Now, wow, this is amazing for a free website. Now I hope you guys will jump into this opportunity that Recharge app has created for you, and we'll be dropping more videos in order to teach you how you can promote this website you get, and also get users into your application and make money for you, right? So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope that you got value from this video. I hope you stay tuned and stay blessed, and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.